assign these values to each and every variables which is defined. So there is no need to go for summing out, and we can represent the maximum values in the structure. Similar way, we have to give the whole value, the calculation of values with a larger memory area. So in the case of structure, it is storing the more memory. In case of union, it is storing the less memory. So less memory is there, then the execution will be always becomes faster. Then we are having the third difference. Only one member can be activated at a time. This is a very important and security features, because when we want to call more than one variables, only one variables can be activated at a time. In the case of structures, all members can be activated. So when we are fetching these values, then it becomes a complex structure. In the case of union, it becomes very easier. We can accommodate, we can use one variable at a time. Which variable is activated, it can be called, and which is not activated, it cannot be called. Then the fourth point is, only the first member of the union variables can be initialized. Only one variables of a particular union is initialized, whereas in the case of structure, all the variables can be initialized at the same time. So same thing happens in the case of union. So when we are initializing only one variables, we can call the values one by one. So lesser error and more efficient programming. Then the last point, that is conservations of memory. We are using the lesser memory, and we are occupying lots of memory space in the case of structure. So this is a basic difference which represents that your union can be different from a structure, as well as that structure is having a basic advantage, because structure can be used with a function, it can be used with a pointer, as well as union also can be used. But when we are using the case of pointer, we can use efficiently with structure, because all the members can be activated at the same time. But in the case of union, only one member is initialized, so one member can be used at the particular time, not more than one variables. So both cases, when we are talking about the particular fast programming or the short programming, we can use union. But when there is a case of a large database management, we have to use a structure. So in this section, we had discussed about the structure, about the array of structure, about the function of structure, about the structure with pointers. Then there is a small bit comparison between union and structure. We had included the introduction of union, as well as we had also seen one program which represents the differentiations between a structure storage as well as a union storage. So this is the basic things which we want to know about structure as well as in the union. So in the next classes, we will discuss much more about union. So from my sides, namaskar. We are very happy to give you, if there is any query, if you have any details, if you want to know about anything related to CPU programming, you can just go to the GTU and you can send a request to the GTU. Okay, thank you.